today we're gonna be at the 626 night. We are in Arcadia for a special night market. I'm walking from the outside and it just looks so massive. Like imagine a flea market full of food. My belly is ready, guys. My belly is ready. And we're here at the 626 night market. I've been wanting to go to this night market since I was living back in the Bay Area. I've heard so many amazing stories about this market and here we are. So the admission for adult is $5 per person, and as you walk in, you see all of these vendors that sell knickknacks. So there's hats, sunglasses, some kids' toys, candles. But what I'm looking for is the food. I spy some portable fans, and I think this might be really useful for Eric's stroller. Do you have anything that clips to a stroller? This is so cool though. So you guys, I found the food area and it is massive. A few weeks ago we went to LA Smorgasburg and that was pretty big, but this is probably like 5 times the scale. Oh my gosh, there's so much food to explore and eat. So my game plan is to kind of walk through everything, see what the offerings are, and then come back around and pick and choose what I want to eat. And then we'll do a food tasting at the end. You guys, this is like our second time going out filming with the baby and going out to something unknown like this. So please be easy on me. I hope to make it better and better. But if you guys enjoyed this type of video, comment below and let me know so we can continue to make more. I'm gonna go that way. Oh, look at that matcha drink. Oh, I want to go to the dirty cookie. I'm gonna get the crab pow balls. Stir-fried chicken with basil rice balls. Sounds good, and Eric can have some. Yeah, I hope so. I hope. She's getting kind of fussy and hungry, so hopefully she'll last for the rest of the event so we could eat and film and then head home. Oh, thank you so much. I have no problem. Good luck tonight. Yeah, of course. Bye. Here we have the Thai chicken basil rice ball. That's kind of like a musubi. And then they gave me a mango sticky rice ball, which I didn't order because the wait was a little long, so that was super nice of them. So this is the Thai chicken basil rice ball, and I probably could have just bit it with my hand, but it's a moment of truth. Let's give it a try. Ooh, Eris cannot have this. It's very spicy. She'll just have a little bit of the rice and mangoes.
Step on up, give it a try. Step on up.
There's huge chunks of mangoes in here, and then the sauce is kind of at the bottom. It's like a mango coconut sticky rice sandwich. The mangoes are so fresh. Wow. And then there's like crispy rice in there too. Whoa, this is good. More? Hey, and there's Nate's Chicken Shack. I didn't know you had a chicken shack, Nate. So we found a place called Shake Ramen where they have ramen in a cup. So convenient, especially for walking around here, but I think I'll do pork belly. Here's the pork chasu bowl for Erisi. It has a little bit of rice and pork belly. And then here is the shake ramen, which is more like a ramen salad. I was actually thinking it might have been like soupy, but I'm actually really intrigued by this. Let's shake it up. There's a hole right here for venting, so I'm afraid to shake it too hard so that it'll like splatter everywhere. So I'll gingerly shake this guy. Lots of veggies. My favorite part of any ramen dish is the corn. Ready? It's a little on the salty side, but the noodles are perfectly chewy al dente. Let me try a piece of the meat. Salty. I'm actually really glad I added the spinach in there because it kind of adds that freshness and it just cools down and it just calms down the saltiness of the dish. It's good. Fortunately, it's a little hard with a baby. Aracey is expiring and she was not having it. The sun was just shining so bright on her, and so it was a little difficult. But we're gonna be meeting up with our cousins at the mall next door now, so hopefully we'll be able to film more there. Yeah, let's go. We were gonna go to Din Tai Fung over there for dumplings, but the wait was 2 hours long. So here we are at the back house for Sushi Robata Bar. I got a much needed sangria. It's white peach sangria, and it's so refreshing. Not too sweet. So we met up with Josh and Sienna, who were supposed to be meeting us at the night market, but it was super chaotic. Aracey is here, happy with some ice and air conditioning. And we have some appetizers here. We have shishito peppers, crispy Brussels sprouts, fried squid. We got him away from the restaurant.
Cheers to your much needed drink.
Cheers. So I still have Aracey's bib on. This is the junior bib, and it covers everything, and it's by Bumpkin's Baby. Love that bib. And since I promised you guys an eating tour, we are gonna go on another, and okay. Is there ice in here? It's wet. I promised you an epic food tour in the 626, and I'm keeping my word. We're still in the 626, but we're at Din Tai Fung now, where we are gonna eat dumplings. Here we ordered truffle dumplings, and it's decadent, I'm sure, but let me dig in and let you know what it's like. I like drinking the soup first. Whoa. The soup is like very savory. You can taste a lot of the mushrooms. Okay. There's a whole slice of truffle in each dumpling. Amazing. Intricacies and the details of the fold. These are all handmade, you guys. I like dipping it in a little bit of vinegar. This is also a soup dumpling because it's kind of brothy inside. And And there's a whole shrimp inside. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me on this food tour today. It wasn't what we had planned to film. I was hoping we would do more at the 626 night market, but unfortunately, my recommendation for anyone going with a 1-year-old, be prepared to expect the worst. She wanted to get out of there as soon as we were filming, so at least we were able to make it work here at Westfield Mall. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on Wednesday for another Wednesday weeknight meals. I'm actually also thinking of doing a live Mom Days tomorrow on Monday, so comment below and let me know what time you would be able to tune in, and I might just do a live show. Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Oh, look at yours. Take mine. Take